Welcome everyone, and thank you for tuning in today. In this video, we are going to show you how to customize the context menu in VIA Browser on your mobile device, so you can make it work the way you like it. Improve your browsing experience. First, open VIA Browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu icon. Then, tap on Settings to access the browser configuration options. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on General. After you are in the Settings panel, look for the Customize Context menu option. Once you find it, tap on Customize Context menu to open the list of choices you can add or remove. Inside this list, you will see various context menu items such as Open in New Tab, Copy Link, Share Link, and other actions. Now check the boxes for the context menu items that you want to see when you long press something in the browser. If there are items you never use, you can uncheck them so they do not clutter up your menu. Finally, when you have checked and unchecked all the items you want, simply exit the settings and try long pressing a link or some text to see your new custom menu in action. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.